What's the meaning of changed? Changed. Changed.
Changed. Changed. Changed means to undergo alteration, modification, or transformation. It implies that something was once one way and now it has been modified or transformed into a different state or condition. The changes can be brought about by various factors such as technology, environment, culture, and personal growth. The result of change can be positive, negative, or neutral. Positive changes bring about improvement in the status quo. Negative changes lead to deterioration while neutral changes have no significant impact. Overall, change is an integral part of life, and embracing it is crucial for growth and development.